Hey guys, how's it going? How to change Instagram story from close friends to everyone. So if you opened right here your Instagram, right, and you posted something on close friends. Let me click the plus sign at the top left and choose something. Let's say this one, right? And I posted it to a close friend, right? Mainly, Instagram does not have the feature to change it after you post it already, but there is two options. There's two solutions that you can work around with, right? First solution is you can click your close friends story and then click the green star at the top right here, and you can add the followers that you want to add to your close friends list, and that way you can add all of your followers to have access to see your close friend to see your new story. If you want to change it to public, you need to do it manually by closing this window, right, and click more right here at the bottom right, okay, and then delete the story, okay, and then double click to delete. And then what you're gonna do, go ahead and click the plus button again at the top left, go ahead and select the story, select the photo, and then just click at the bottom left, the first option, your story, and that way you're gonna be able to publish it publicly. Okay, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.